Dr. K.N. Puri sir, Secretary Octa, and Professor Sri Shivaji Science College, Amravati. Jury of the competition, respected Dr. S.E. Burkadi ma'am, Professor Sri Shivaji Science College, Amravati, respected Dr. S.K. Deshmukh ma'am, Professor Sri Shivaji Science College, Akola, respected organizing committee member, organizing secretary, Dr. A.S. Digde ma'am, co-convener, Mr. R.G. Savarkar sir, coordinator, Dr. S.S. Dote sir, invitees, all the respected Octa members, dear student and participant. I heartily welcome all of you on this occasion. It is really a pleasant moment for us that the inauguration of online intercollegiate university level seminar competition for BSc second year student 2020-21, which is being held at the hand of Honorable Dr. M.L. Narwade sir, ex-professor, Department of Chemistry, Government, Vidarbha Institute of Science and Humanity, Amravati, ex-joint director, Amravati Division. The purpose of seminar competition is to create interest in the student regarding recent and future research in the field of chemistry. I hope you all find the seminar highly fruitful, beneficiary. I would like to extend my gratitude to our principal, Dr. D.S. Thakre sir, for encouraging us to conduct seminar like this today. I am again thankful to you, sir, for your kind suggestion, support, guidance. Once again, thanks and welcome to all of you on the behalf of our college. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir. Now I request Mr. Thank you, sir. Now I request Mr. R.G. Savarkar for their introductory speech. Over to you, sir.
Good morning to all of you. It's my tribute to founder president of Sri Shivaji Education Society, Amravati, Punjab Rao alias Bhavsar Deshmukh, ex-MLA, late Baba Saheb Sangutkar, and late Srimati Kokirabai Gawande. Chairperson of this seminar competition, Dr. D.S. Thakre, Principal, J.D. Patil Sanskar Mahavidyalaya, Daryapur. Inaugurator of this seminar competition for the BSc second year, Semester 3, Dr. M.L. Narwade, ex-professor, Government Vidarbha Institute of Science and Humanities, Amravati, and ex-joint director, Amravati Division. Chief guest of honor of this program is Dr. P.R. Rajput, Principal, SFSKR Indranani Mahavidyalaya, Karandalad, Dr. Patil, and President of Octa. Guest of honor, Dr. K.N. Puri, Secretary of Octa, Dr. A.S. Burkade, Professor, Department of Chemistry, Shivaji Science College, Amravati, Dr. S.K. Deshmukh, Associate Professor, Department of Chemistry, Shivaji College of Art, Commerce and Science, Akola, Head of Department of Chemistry, A.R. Somunshi, Dr. S.S. Dote, Dr. A.S. Digde, and all the audience. The importance of seminar competition is growing as fast as the rapidly changing and challenging world. The main purpose of this competition is to get deep into the topic so that something helpful can be churned out which can be used by everybody. The inaugurator of this program is Dr. M.L. Narwade. In simple word, he is the king of physical chemistry. And he makes his kingdom in students by infusing students' interest towards physical chemistry. He is ex-professor of Government Vidarbha Institute of Science and Humanities. He served the most prestigious post in education, that is Joint Director of Amravati Division. The number of students done PhD under his supervision. He is a very down-to-earth person and he is a very humble man. He is a pet lover. The eminent person, we are very lucky that eminent personality like Dr. M.L. Narwade sir as the inaugurator of this program. The guest of honor of this program is Dr. A.R. Rajput sir. Actually, he is not any introduction. He is the principal of Vijnani Mahavidyalaya Karanjalad, and he is serving as the president of Amravati University Chemistry Teachers Association. He has 33 years of experience as a UG and 27 years of experience of PG. He wrote 8 books and edited 13 various journals and magazines. He nearly published 91 papers in various journals with high impact factor and 28 conference papers in national and international conferences. He is on various committees of University and Government of Maharashtra. I welcome you, sir, as a faculty of the Department of Chemistry and a co-convener of this seminar competition for BSc second year semester 3. The third guest of honor is Dr. K. Puri. He is the secretary of APTA and he is like our family member. I welcome all the audience, online audience here. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Now I request Honorable Chief Guest Dr. M.L. Narwade sir for the introductory speech.
Good morning to all of you. We are assembled here to attend the seminar competition of BSc second year chemistry students from the inter colleges. This competition has been arranged at the Department of JDPS College, Daryapur on 6th February at 11 a.m. I offer my sincere and best respect to Vairagya Murthy Kalgi Baba, founder of this constitution, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar, social worker, and Shikshan Mercy Bhausaheb Deshmukh. The eminent personalities on the dais, Chairperson Dr. Thakre sir, Principal of this college, and Daryapur, Somonshi sir, Head of the Department of Chemistry, guest of honors, Dr. Rajput sir, who is the best administrator, best teacher, best researcher, and best social worker, Dr. K. Puri, chief guest, and Department of Chemistry, Sri Shiva Science College, Amravati. He is the secretary of ACTA, Dr. A.S. Digde, Madam, organizing secretary, panel of jury, Dr. Burgati, Madam, Dr. Wankhede, and other chemistry staff members, teaching and non-teaching staff members, Dr. Surya Deshmukh, and so on. This seminar competition of chemistry BSc second year students from inter colleges is very beneficial because this is the proper platform to the students to perform their various activities and advance knowledge in the universe. They get skill daring and boldness. They can share their views of preparation of this topic at the examination point of view. They will become a best orators, good teachers in future. They can get the inspiration from this. I believe that the college activities related to the students community, students must have communication skill. They must have determined mind. They will be very industrious. They will have some vision, and they should be very optimism. They should be enthusiastic. They should study hard and achieve the goal in the universe, because study hard is a very fundamental right of the students. Education means to improve the quality of life. Quality of life. शैक्षणिक सामाजिक परिवर्तनाचं साधन आहे. जीवनाची योग्य दिशा बदलण्याची आणि जीवनाला आकार देण्याचे एक व्यवहारिक जीवनाचे एक साधन आहे. Quality of nation depends upon the quality of teachers. Quality of students depends upon the quality of teachers, because teachers are the accomplishing agents. They make ideal students or ideal citizen in the society. Teachers make pillar of Indian growth and prosperity. वैभवशाली देशाचे प्रभावशाली शिल्पकार बनण्याचे शिक्षकाचे शिक्षक एक साधन आहे. Teachers make nation builder students in society. Of course, this topic is related to the physical chemistry. Physical chemistry and physics, they are just common ground sisters, because many topics included which are both in both the subjects, just like quantum mechanics, thermodynamics, electrochemistry, spectroscopy, solid state. Students should acquire the knowledge because of their industrial nature or hardworking. They should inculcate in Marathi just like Sadvichar, Sadacharan, and Satkarm. The mission of every institute, every college has to strive the excellency in research, teaching, research, and students will be students inculcate the proficiency definitely. So this seminar competition is very much beneficial to all the students concerning with this chemistry. I offer my blessing and good wishes to all these participants, so that number is not so important, but how students present their knowledge, how can present their new views, how can share their views with his friends or many students. This competition will definitely beneficial to the students, and they can improve their goals. They achieve the goal is nothing but this is development of this college. It shows the development of this college. So that I offer a very blessing and good wishes to all the participants in the seminar competitions. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Your kind words always motivating for us. Now I request Honorable Dr. P.R. Rajput sir for official announcement of and guest of honor words. Over to you, sir.
Thank you so much. A very warm welcome and good morning to one and all present here, rather connected on this online portal for this seminar competition. Our revered Guru Dr. M.L. Narwade, Principal Dr. D.S. Thackeray, Secretary Dr. K.N. Puri, our jury members, Dr. Ma'am, Dr. Deshmukh Ma'am, Dr. Burghate Ma'am, Dr. Sobonsi, Dr. Digde, Dr. Dhote, all the faculty members, and other dignitaries present on this occasion. I'm absolutely delighted to welcome you all on this academic event of seminar for BSc second year students. It's hugely heartening to note such a wonderful response is given by the participants to our call. I very profoundly appreciate your gesture of participating in this seminar competition. Dear friends, this platform, which is provided by AUCTA in collaboration with Lady Patil Sangaluttar College, Daryapur, the aim behind this organization is that you will be able to present your ideas, your perspectives, and many others will at the same instance looking at you, assessing you. So this will personify a great degree of confidence in you, because this is an occasion, or this is a platform where we can use this platform to develop your own personality. You know, the main fear that man faces is the public stare. Whenever he goes in public or on public platform, he faces the fear of public stare, or rather, I can say that eyes of the people who are present there in the audience. And on this occasion, if you confidently express your views and uh, succeed in convincing them what you want to say, would boost your confidence. And I think you will take this opportunity to explore your own personalities and try to come up or project yourself as a competent human being. Friends, I'm sure you will get enormously benefited from the healthy academic interactions amongst yourselves. So I wish resounding praise to the organizers uh, for, for this. I'm grateful to Dr. Narwade, Dr. D.S. Thakre, and all the organizing committee members for giving this opportunity to collaborate this event with Okta and providing such a wonderful platform to the students. So once again, I welcome you all and wish you every success in this academic year.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Your thoughts-provoking address set a perfect platform for our students. Thank you once again, sir. This competition was organized on online platform. Therefore, the results are declared in this same program. Um, the inauguration of Okta Android app. I request Dr. P.R. Rajput sir to inaugurate it.
This is very painstaking effort taken by Dr. Puri and his entire team to develop this Okta Android app. This will provide again an opportunity to get connected with the recent developments or the whatever the things going on in Okta at various levels. So without consuming much of your time, I declare that this Okta Android app is open for one and all associated with Okta. And I wish every success in this new endeavor of online connectivity to the stakeholders, and will definitely provide a very wonderful platform to interact as and when required. So I congratulate Dr. Puri and his entire team for this excellent Android app, which made available to all the stakeholders of Okta. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. This competition is organized on online. This competition was organized on online platform. Therefore, the results are declared in this program. Now I request jury member, Honorable Dr. S.K. Deshmukh Madam, for their feedback. Over to you, Madam.
Good morning to all. I have been appointed as a jury member to judge the participants who have contested in today's intercollegiate university level seminar competition for BSc Part 2 Sem 3 students for the session 2020-21, and today is the inaugural and valedictory function and being well organized by Department of Chemistry and IQC of J.D. Patil Sangutkar Mahavidyalaya Daryapur in collaboration with OCTA, that is Amravati University Chemistry Teachers Association. So for this today's inaugural function, the chairman, Dr. D.S. Thakre sir, principal, JDPS Mahavidyalaya Daryapur, the chief guest and the inaugurator, my guide, Dr. M.L. Narwade sir, the guest of honor, Dr. P.R. Rajput sir, OCTA president and principal, SSS KR Inani Mahavidyalaya Karandalat, the convener, Mr. A.R. Somunshi sir, head Department of Chemistry, JDPS Mahavidyalaya Daryapur, then the guest of honor, Dr. K.N. Puri sir, Secretary OCTA and Professor Shri Shivaji Science College Amravati, then the organizing secretary, Dr. A.S. Digade madam, co-convener, Mr. R.G. Savarkar sir, and the coordinator, Dr. S.S. Dote. At the outset, I congratulate mostly the developers for developing this Android OCTA app. So I congratulate the painstaking efforts of Dr. S.S. Dote and Savarkar as well as the executive committee members. Now, moving towards the feedback for the today's seminar competition. In spite of the COVID-19 pandemic situation, I am glad to see the overwhelming response of the student participants for all the seminar competition held up till now. And the judgment was done on certain criteria, that is, we have seen the way of presentation done by the students, the correctness of the text by them, and the use of teaching aids, the way they participated in the discussion, that is answering question and session, and the time limit which they had to follow. So I'd like to comment on certain facts which should be kept in mind by the students for participating in future seminar competitions. So actually all of them have done a very good job, but still I feel that the complete topic should be thoroughly prepared or read so that not only your topic for seminar competition, but the related questions can be answered if we prepare the topic or the unit well. Now, some of the students have presented the seminar competition like they were talking or teaching in the classroom, especially those who have made use of the whiteboards and the pen, or those who have made use of the white papers, plain white papers on which their seminar script was written. So actually, I feel that the PowerPoint presentation is the best method to present your matter for the seminar competition. Then one more thing I want to inform the students, that see that the topic is not repeated. I mean, all of you have taken the simple topic of conductometric titration or the determination of surface tension. So the topic was found to become monotonous. So see that the topic is not repeated. That means you were given the 2 units, unit 5 and unit 6. So you could select any of the topic from these 2 units. So it was found that the conductometric titration and determination of surface tension, these 2 topics were repeated a number of times, so it becomes a monotonous job. So see that the topic is nicely selected so that it becomes effective. But overall, I congratulate all the winners and as well as all the
छोटे मम्मी आहे का बाहेर दादा
Due to some technical issue, madam's audio is not operating. Thank you, madam, for your valuable feedback. Thank you once again. Now I request Honorable Dr. A.S. Burgate, madam, for the declaration of result. Over to you, madam.
My due respect to Dr. Bhausaheb Panjabrao Deshmukh. I bow in front of my guru, respected Dr. M.L. Narwade sir, chairman of today's event, Principal Dr. D.S. Thackeray sir, chairman of OCTA, respected Principal Dr. Rajput sir, secretary of OCTA, Dr. Puri sir, district coordinator, Dr. Bodke sir, all the executive members of OCTA, HOD of Organizing Institute, Dr. Somrishi, his team, Dhote sir, Savarkar sir, Digde ma'am, my jury partner, Dr. Sharayu, and all participants. We know participation is the first step to success. So I congratulate all the participants for their efforts in preparing and presenting the topic in very good manner. I appreciate the overwhelming response of 29 participants in the competition. All the participants are glittering stars of chemistry. We all should thank OCTA for offering this platform for the competition. Now, to share about the participants. All the participants presented the topic in the competition with full skill, जगताप, अमोलकचंद महाविद्यालय यवतमाळ. Congratulations, Kanish. The online competition is organized because pandemic. By considering the same aspect, one of the participants explained the future scope of thermodynamics. The participant also explained thermodynamics in daily activities, who secured the second position, who is none other than ID number 24, Ankita S. Joshi, Kulsing Naik Mahavidyalaya, Kusat. Now, put your hands together to know about the winner of competition. The participant who used most advanced interaction. The winner of competition is ID number 14, Anushka Kochar, Brijlal Biani Science College, Amaravati. Congratulations to all the winners as well as all participants. Congratulations to organizing team. On behalf of jury members, I express my deep sense of gratitude towards the chairman of ACTA and his team for showing the faith on us. I am thankful to Principal Dr. D.S. Thakre sir, Dr. Somoishi sir, HOD, Department of Chemistry, JDPS Mahavidyalaya, Daryapur, and his enthusiastic team members, Dhote sir, Savarkar sir, Digde ma'am, for giving us opportunity to coordinate with them. Thank you very much. Thanks once again.
Thank you, madam. Thank you very much. And congratulations to all the winners and the participants of the competition. Now I request Honorable Dr. D.S. Thakre sir for the presidential speech. Over to you, sir.
Former Minister of Agriculture and former President of Sri Shivaji Education Society Amaravati, Dr. Panjabrao alias Rausaheb Deshmukh, the founder of this college, Babasaheb Sangudkar, and founder of Science Faculty, Idiji. I pay my homage to such great personality. Today, J.D. Patil Sangudkar Mahavidyalaya, Daryapur organized a seminar competitions in collaboration with Amaravati University Chemistry Teacher Association, Department of Chemistry, and IQAC of this College. I first welcome to all the dignitaries, subject expert on the behalf of J.D. Patil Sambhadkar Mahavidyalaya. Today, the chief guest of this function, my respected teacher, Dr. Narwade sir. I am very happy. I met for a long time and I found my teacher is physically very fit. Even now, we require such person to encourage the student, to encourage the teachers. Thank you very much, sir. We have given a speech to us and guidance to us. Next, my senior colleagues and my friends, Dr. Rajput sir. Without Dr. Rajput sir, I cannot go ahead. Though he is my friend, but he is my also supervisor or guide for many things, not in a subject. Also, I thankful to Dr. Rajput sir, Dr. S.K. Deshmukh sir, Dr. Durga madam. I don't know why this time is come, because at the same time I will chair the function of inauguration and I will also conclude this function at the same time. But it is a time I congratulate all the participants who win the prize. Such type of competition organized here in a semi-urban region. Really thankful to Amravati University Chemistry Teacher Associations. We have with us Dr. Puri sir. I thankful to Dr. Puri sir and welcome. Now, such type of competition is very useful in such a semi-urban area like Daryapur. And that's why I thankful to member and the chairman of this AUP of Amravati University, because such type of programs will develop the idea of the student like my college. They encourage how to learn the chemistry. They develop the overall personality of ourselves. Therefore, I very much thankful to organize and giving a chance to organize such type of activity in my college. I congratulate the faculty members of my college, the HOD of this department, Dr. Somanshi sir, Dr. Savarkar sir, Dr. Dhote sir, and Digre madam, and the student of chemistry department. I will again welcome to all and thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir, for your valuable guidance. Thank you, sir. Now I request Dr. S.S. Dhote sir for vote of thanks.
Thank you. On the behalf of Online Intercollegiate Seminar Competition Organizing Committee, I pay my tribute to founder, president of Shri Shivaji Education Society Amravati, late Dr. Panjabrao Elias Deshmukh, great visionary, late J.D. Patil Elias Baba Sahib Sangrudkar, and late Kokiratai Gawandi Elias Dadiji. First of all, I am very thankful to Chairman of this session, Dr. D.S. Thakre, Principal J.D. Patil Sangrudkar Mahavidyalaya Daryapur, for their guidance. Next, I am very thankful to our inaugurator, Dr. M.L. Narwade, ex-professor, Department of Chemistry, Government Vidarbha Institute of Science, Humanities, Amravati, for their suggestions. I am also very thankful to Dr. P.R. Rajput, President OCTA, Dr. Puri sir, Secretary of OCTA and OCTA, for giving opportunity to us for this seminar competition. I am also very thankful to judges Dr. S.K. Deshmukh and Dr. A.S. Burgate for giving a valuable time to judging all the participants. I am also thankful to Mr. Somanshi sir, Head of Department of Chemistry, also the convener of this function, for their supports. I am also thankful to Mr. Rahul Savarkar, Dr. Digde Madam, also all the participants for their making this event very successful. And finally, I am also thankful to all the direct or indirect, those who are make this program successfully. Thank you. By this, I concluded this program. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. And all the participants are informed that there is one link for the feedback. After submitting their feedback form, all the certificates will be sent to their email IDs. So kindly fill up this feedback form. Thank you. Thank you very much. With the permission of chair, I declare the concluded this program. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you, everyone.
Gauri? Okay, guys.